Alright, what's up guys? We are unboxing these cameras. It's a Sony ZV-E10. This alpha sticker right there. ZV-E10. This is how it looks like. This is the one with this 15 to I think it's 16 to 50 mm lens that comes with this camera. So this is not the body piece only, but the lens as well. Alright, here you can see the configuration, and this is the front. This is how the top part looks like. Alright, let's open it. Alright, as you open, this comes with this 2x durable warranty. I think they're offering extended warranty for 2 years in total. That normally comes with 1 year extension. Perfect, we'll register that later. Comes with all the reference guide and warranty stuff. Plus all the manuals. More manuals. We'll read through them later. Let me put this aside. Alright, so now the moment of truth. Okay, so I don't know what this one is. Let's open it. Oh, it sounds like the, oh, okay. So it's the cover for the microphone, which is gonna be handy. So I'm gonna put it back for now. And this is most likely the shoulder strap. Yep. Put it there. It's a Type-C cable. So charging adapter. There you go. Perfect. All right, let's move ahead. See what else we have. And this is the battery. It was a tiny, small battery. 7.2 volt, 7.3 watt hour, 1020. So it's 1020 milliampere. So it's not high capacity, and the model number that you can see is NPFW50. So if we ever need a replacement, or if we need an additional battery, a lot of people might need additional batteries because the battery life is not so great as far as I heard or based on my research. So we'll know more, but yep, this is the battery number that we need to follow in order to order a second or third ones. So it really depends on individuals how much they use it and stuff. All right, perfect. Let's put it here, and it's like this is the camera. There you go. All right, so the camera comes in a nice cloth type, plastic type bag. I don't know what it is exactly. Perfect. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so this is the camera we've all been waiting for. Alright, so this is the first look of the camera. Okay, this looks pretty solid. Nice black finish. You can see this button. This is how it looks. So you put it on the floor. This is how it looks. This is how it looks from the top. It's from the side. From bottom. This way. And there we go. Let's see. This is how the lens looks like. Okay, and put the cover back on so it remains safe. And the way you will not do anything because this cover is on. Perfect. There we go. Awesome. So yeah, this is a fantastic looking camera, to be honest. This is where your HDMI hookup and your USB-C, and this looks like an aux cable for audio input. There's a small audio hookup right here as well. Okay. Well, this is a plug-in power, so if you want to kind of run it for a long time. This is how it turns on and turns off. This is where the battery goes. So you're gonna put the battery. And you heard the click noise. And this is where the SD card goes. So you're gonna put it back. I already ordered an SD card, so you're gonna put that one. It's taking longer than expected, but hold on, I'm almost got it. Okay, there you go. So I bought this 120 gigabyte SanDisk memory card. Then I need to take it out of the plastic. Well, that's some strong packaging. Again, you hear the click noise and you are good to go. Perfect, there we go. Take the cover out. Perfect, there we go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I would appreciate if you subscribe and share the videos. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye for now.